So, hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is the outfit check for today. Outfit. I'm going for a Crawford market, and let's go with that. So, I'm going from a taxi with my family, of course. And it. The market is so far from my own home, and this is the shoots I captured along with it, and that's me. And I'm sorry if I have not shoot anything in the market because it's so crowded, as you can see in the video. So I have not shooted anything there. Right now I'm getting home and I shooted this video coldly. People are staring at me. And here in the taxi again. And let's move to the what I got from there. So for me, here is the fun part. I got many things there. There's a shop called Mahir, a novelty gift and stationery shop, and this is what I got a cute pouch. It's a very convenient and huge. The storage is huge. Let me show you. You can see there's a three space in the front, in the middle, and the last. And the last one is huge, and the middle one is quite for maybe a pen, maybe a pens. And you can see there's huge one in last. And let's go to the another thing. Is this pen is gel pen, and I already tried on my book, and it's not smudging. It means it's smudge proof. I will try to find this pen on Amazon and I'll share the link down below in the description so you can check it out. And let's go to the another thing. The another thing is this eraser I got there for my art for detail. It's electric. I need battery. I forgot to buy the battery, and it's good. There's many variety in this there. Okay, so next thing is the monthly reminder. I got from the stationery shop I just said about for because we are the first customer from there. And here is the food and other things. The glass bottle cost me 50. The kunafa chocolate cube, one single one is 50, and the pool cup is 180. I got this from Carrefour Market. If anyone want to check it out, if anyone want to buy a ramen, you can go there. If you are near it, in Mumbai, you can go there. You can buy. You can get many varieties and. Okay, let's try the kunafa chocolate. I already tried the kunafa Nutella chocolate, and for me, especially the Nutella kunafa is the best instead of pistachio kunafa because it's an overwhelming pistachio flavor and it's not good enough to in taste. And for Nutella is minimal because everything is chocolate and chocolate. So let's watch something while eating your lunch, I guess. So this is a trigger AirPods or earbuds I got, and it's quite good than the last one I had. And yeah, so then to the next part. So I'm having chicken biryani, and I'm watching Free Fire gameplay. Okay, so I wonder if any of you play Free Fire. Please let me know in the comment section below. I will sure add and play with you guys. Okay, so I eagerly wanted to try the pen I got from the Crawford Market. So I tried to write my codes for the songs. So I'm sorry if the camera is shaking so much. And you can see I already sketched many things. And the star I got from printers. Stickers I mean. So yeah, I'm making the Huame versus Finding Her song, the mashup, and it's quite good. So just continue watching me writing the quotes. I'm sorry if it's boring, but watch it, please.
So yeah, it's evening snacks.
Has anyone tried the khichdi? Because it is yum without the vegetables, of course. My mother always make khichdi with the vegetables, and me and my sister always remove the vegetables just to eat the rest khichdi. And this time, my mother make plain khichdi without any vegetables, and it's still good without and with vegetables. I hope you try. If you try with ghee. Yeah, and yes, the dinner. It's potato, sabji, and dal chawal, and it's cleaning time, skin cleaning. I'm doing my makeup. Of course, I had liner and kajal.
So basically, this is the night routine. I brush my teeth.
Almost for 2 minutes or 3 4. So the face wash I used was Lacto Calamine face wash because I have acne skin, and it's good acne face wash and Lacto brand. I already worked. He's already worked on me. Sorry, and it's still for all the people. My sister also use the same face wash. I use. Okay, so the next part is same like to calamine face lotion. I don't have a moisturizer. It's still soothing. It's matte cream and it's quite convenient. So don't consider my smile. It's a baby. It's also baby cream, of course. Both creams are for baby. I still use baby products because it's actually a good skin because it's baby product, no chemicals, nothing, and it's portable. And this is called Amruta Manam. It's have a rosy smell. I apply it on my lips as a moisturizer. And for the next clip is me brushing my hair and braiding my hair in a braid. Of course. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more updates about my videos. Okay, bye. Have a good day and take care of yourself.